Are you ready to amplify your vision? Hosting online conferences and summits has never been easier with Livestorm. In just minutes, you can reach thousands of people, creating impactful events that resonate. With Livestorm, you can go from zero to thousands in moments. Our platform is designed for intuitive management of large-scale online events. Start for free and experience the ease of professional event hosting. Imagine streaming stadium-sized events on major social platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Customize every detail to make it your own. From emails to landing pages, every aspect reflects your brand. Spend less time on logistics. Utilize our built-in tools to deliver engaging live events while syncing participant data effortlessly with your CRM. Let's break down what Livestorm offers. You will have email cadences to send unlimited customized reminders. Create registration pages optimized for conversion with ease. You can even set up 1080p streaming with low latency using RTMP input. During your event, track engagement through powerful analytics reports integrated into your dashboard. Plus, our browser-based system means no downloads are needed. You can centralize audience questions, customize your event room, and enjoy advanced reporting features. View and export all your contact records effortlessly, syncing data with Salesforce, HubSpot, and more. Livestorm is perfect for a variety of uses: live Q&As, company communications, and engaging product demos. Thousands of organizations trust Livestorm for their online events. Try it for free. Customers rave about the high attendance rates and user-friendly interface. Witness your event success firsthand. In just 3 minutes, transform your webinars and meetings into engaging experiences. Try Livestorm today, no credit card required, and no software installation needed. Make your vision come to life with Livestorm.